In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals error code 10 step by step. So first, it is important to understand that error code 10 is typically caused by issues with your internet connection. So start by restarting your router to restart your internet connection. Now restart your PC as well as do a quick reboot. This can often resolve temporary glitches. After doing this, try running the game again to see if the issue persists. Now if the problem is still there, make sure the issue is not with your internet service provider. Test your internet connection on other devices or websites. Now, if you notice interruption, go ahead and contact your ISP to resolve these issues. If your internet connection is fine, go ahead and search for command prompt on your search section. Now, on your command prompt, go ahead and enter ipconfig/flush DNS and enter this to flush your existing DNS on your device. Now, if that method doesn't work also, you can simply uninstall your Marvel Rivals app and reinstall it on your device. Now, once you have it back, you'll be able to use Marvel Rivals on your device. That is how you can simply fix error code 10 on Marvel Rivals. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.